You want to start your own side hustle, right? Whether it's to make some extra cash on the side or to eventually turn it into your full-time business. However, you just don't know where to start. And starting from scratch can feel like a lot of work. It's overwhelming. If that's you, I feel you, because I remember when I first started my side hustle journey, I was doing any and everything possible to earn some extra cash on the side, and nothing worked. It wasn't until I applied the methods that I'm about to share with you in this video that I finally earned some extra cash on the side. Now I make around $3,000 a month on average, and it's growing rapidly. So listen up, because this video can help you. All right, so first thing you need to know is that you don't need a large budget or a detailed business plan in order to get started on a side hustle. In fact, some of the most successful side hustles start small and build up over time. The key is to identify your skills, passions, and target audience. Choose a business idea that excites you and that you have a genuine interest in pursuing. So with that said, let's explore some practical ways to start a side hustle from absolutely nothing. So the first step is to identify your skill set. You have to take a deep dive into what you love doing and what you can actually excel in. It could be anything from designing websites, capturing moments with a camera, cooking, managing social media, etc. The list is endless. Just make sure to write down every talent and skill that you possess. Identifying your strengths will not only help you determine the type of business that you can start, but it will also give you the confidence to pursue your dreams and turn your passion into a successful venture. Discovering your skills and talents is the first step to achieving your goals. It is key to unlocking your business potential. However, the next step is just as important, and that is sharing your skills with the world. Starting out by offering your skills to those closest to you, like friends and family, can be a great way to begin. You'll be able to build your confidence, hone your craft, and even receive some helpful feedback. And once you feel more comfortable, it's time to branch out to online communities and social media platforms. These are fantastic ways to get your name out there, meet new people, and build your portfolio. Whether you're a writer, artist, whatever it may be, the world is just waiting for you to showcase your talent, and these platforms will provide the perfect launching pad to do so. The next step is to utilize free marketing tools. If you're starting from absolutely nothing, marketing can seem impossible. But the beauty of the digital age is that social media platforms have made marketing easier than ever before. With a bit of effort, you can create an online presence that showcases your services and experience. Use this platform to create a visually stunning portfolio, share your success stories, and engage with potential clients. The more you engage with your followers, the more they will be likely to recommend you to their own networks. And talking about network, the next step is networking. Networking is critical, and it helps you meet like-minded people who could potentially connect you with new opportunities. Getting to know people in your industry who share your passion and values can help you find new opportunities and help you build a stronger foundation for career success. Whether you attend workshops, trade shows, conferences, webinars, these events are the perfect opportunity to meet new people and broaden your professional horizons. By putting yourself out there and connecting with like-minded individuals, you open yourself up to a world of possibilities and make valuable connections that could change the course of your career. Don't be afraid to step outside your comfort zone. Take advantage of all the networking opportunities available to you, because you never know who you might meet. The next step is to stay committed, because while it may be tempting to jump into a new venture with both feet, it's important to remember that success won't happen overnight. In fact, you're likely to encounter setbacks and roadblocks that will test your commitment. Just don't give up. With persistence and a consistent approach, you can achieve your goals and turn your side hustle into a successful business. And when you do, the sense of accomplishment and satisfaction will be well worth the effort. The bottom line is, starting a side hustle from absolutely nothing can seem impossible, but with the right attitude, timing, and resources, it's definitely possible. Remember, you don't need a ton of money or even a business plan to start your side hustle. Just identify your skills and talents, offer services, utilize free marketing tools, network, and stay committed. And before you know it, you could be on your way to turning your side hustle into something much bigger. And look, I'll even give you a list of the easiest and best side hustles that you can start. Starting with virtual assistant, dog sitting, dog walking, start a blog, a YouTube channel, freelance copywriting, sell photos, teach online, create an ebook, start a podcast, drop shipping, influencer marketing, affiliate marketing, selling digital products. There are so many. And these are just a few examples. Remember, you still have to identify your skills and then choose which one best fits you. Now let's get into the mental and mindset side of things. Because before embarking into your business journey, it is important to have the right mindset for success. Starting anything new can be a challenging process, but with the right mindset, you can stay motivated and overcome obstacles along the way. So I'll give you 5 key strategies to help you develop and maintain the right mindset required for business success. First, you need to embrace the journey, because starting a business is not just about reaching a destination. It's about enjoying the entire journey. Recognize that the process of building an entire successful business takes time and effort. Avoid comparing yourself to others and their accomplishments. Instead, focus on your own progress and celebrate even the smallest victories. Each step forward brings you closer to your goals. Next, you have to know your why, because your why will keep you motivated. It's natural to face challenges and setbacks along your business journey. And to stay motivated, you have to remind yourself of your why. What inspired you to start this venture in the first place? Create a vision board. Write down your goals and aspirations. Revisit them regularly to remind yourself of what you're working towards. There's this quote that I love by Winston Churchill. It says, "Success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts." That's powerful. Alright, so next, you want to embrace challenges because they are inevitable. It's part of the game. Rather than viewing them as obstacles, see them as opportunities for growth. Embrace the mindset that every obstacle that you face is an opportunity to learn new skills, to adapt, and to innovate. When faced with adversity, remain resilient and seek creative solutions. And the last one, which is the most important one, and that is to practice self-care. Because running a business can be demanding both physically and mentally. You have to take care of yourself to ensure long-term success. Prioritize self-care activities like exercise, sufficient sleep, healthy eating, etc. Make time for relaxation and hobbies that bring you joy. Remember, taking care of yourself is vital for maintaining motivation and overall well-being. If you already have a side hustle or a business, let me know in the comments below what it is and how it's going for you. And if you want to start a side hustle but still haven't started, let me know what's stopping you. Look guys, there's so much money out there, and I want us all to get some. If you want a detailed video about the best side hustles to start in 2024, watch this video right here. And that's it for this video. As always, I'll see you in the next one. I'm not even going to ask you to like and subscribe because you already know you have to do that anyway. So